how do we go from this to this in just 10 minutes? Welcome to Lifestyle with Isabella, ladies. Here we learn to look the best while being our best selves. Sometimes we literally have 10 minutes to get ready. So I put together this 10-minute makeup transformation to help us in those times. I am going to use my primer and my tinted moisturizer as my base. If you are using foundation and you want to save time, you can mix your primer with the foundation and apply both at the same time. I am also going to use for my eyes the Too Faced Natural Lash palette. Okay, let's get the makeup done in 10 minutes. You may hear my husband getting ready in the background. I closed the door, but Richie opened it. So, okay, I have my timer set on 10 minutes. I'm gonna press start. There, okay. 10 minutes, we're gonna do this. We can do this. I'm gonna press the primer into my face. Tinted moisturizer. Tinted moisturizer. I always apply my tinted moisturizer with my hands, pretty much just like a moisturizer. I don't use a brush. Maybe I should try and use my beauty blender and see what happens, but that's for another time. Then we go with concealer. Yes, I'm kind of mixing up steps for the time's sake. I got 9 minutes left. I have my phone right here. And then we're gonna blend the concealer all the way underneath the eyes. Okay. I hope I'm capturing the good angles in the camera. Okay. Then we're going to apply, we're gonna prime our eyelids. Yes, I took a bit too much on my brush, but that's okay. We're gonna spread it across both eyes. I don't even know if I look pretty in the camera. Don't worry about looking pretty, just get yourself looking pretty. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And I am definitely sloppily applying the primer, but then we take our finger and press it just like this, and we remove any excess, but we make sure that it's nicely applied over the entire eye area there. Okay, then we put on these eye shields to protect our eyes. Okay, 7 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna set the eye primer with setting powder. Okay. And now we're gonna start on the eyes. First, I'm gonna get my brush wet with setting spray. Okay. And I'm gonna write down all the colors I'm gonna use. Go across the eyelid. 6 minutes 50 seconds. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go in the Emmy. And I'm just gonna do that much there. The Emmy. Okay. Then Miss Shady brush in Take the Cake. 6 minutes. We're gonna just blend the harsh lines all across, and more of that, and okay. And then we're gonna take Build and Blend and take the cake again and blend a bit more. Okay, we're going to curl eyelashes. And one more. Okay. Takes me a while to curl my eyelashes. Then just any black eyeliner, you're just going to like actually really sloppily apply it right here. And right here again. And then with a smudge brush, you're going to smudge it so it doesn't look sloppy. It just looks a bit smoky. Okay. Remove these. Mascara, 4 minutes 47 seconds. Oopsie. Okay. I'm going to run the Miss Shady brush just a bit underneath my eyes, just to kind of give my eyes a bit under eye definition. Okay, and now the face. Contour stick, 4 minutes 7 seconds. Place it right here. Blush. Okay. And now we're gonna blend them all at the same time. First we bring this here like that, and now this. Okay, bring this here like this again, and then this. 3 minutes 37 seconds. Okay, we're gonna set the makeup. Hourglass Ambient Palette. 3 minutes 17 seconds. My brows are gonna really slow me down. I always have such a freaking hard time with my brows, so I'm gonna leave those almost to the end. Lip gloss. Go with the colored lip gloss to give you some color. Did I say the word freaking on camera? I am so sorry. And then just gonna 2 minutes 40 seconds. Yeah, let's do brows now. I am gonna remove this mascara I got on my eyes right here. Okay, now let's do the eyebrows. Pray for me. 2 minutes 27 seconds. This one is the problem one that gives me a hard time. One minute 56 seconds. I'm still working on my eyebrows. Okay, you're done. Since I have a bit of extra time, 1 minute 43 seconds, I'm gonna take a brightening pen, line my waterline to brighten up the eyes. And I still have 1 minute 31 seconds. I am going to, I know I did the essentials, so now I'm just adding, I'm gonna do this a bit here, corner of the eyes, and this is Buffer Out. And this is the Pencil Me In brush. And I'm also going to go right here, just a bit. And we are done. Here, pause. 1 minute left. 9 minutes. We are the best, ladies. We are the best, the best, the best. We did it in 9 minutes. We deserve a celebration. If you want more of my makeup tutorials, click that video right there, ladies. If you want the best makeup tips I can put together, click that video right there. Thank you so much.